Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Mauto channel. This time I will explain about 13 benefits of RBE fruit for health and beauty. The fruit of mulberry, or commonly also called berries, is a fruit commonly consumed by the people of Indonesia. In Indonesia alone, mulberry are quite easy to find because these fruits can grow well despite growing in tropical climates such as Indonesia. In fact, the breeding of mulberry is fairly easy and simple. In addition to not requiring extensive land, mulberry can also be grown in large pots. Although easy to develop, this does not affect the sensation of the mulberry itself. Besides tastes good, a bit sour and fresh, this fruit also has a red or blackish color in accordance with its varieties. Mulberry fruit contains many of the nutrient composition contained by the benefits of this mulberry. Based on the food composition list, in 100 gram of contained mulberry, energy 37 kilocalories, protein 0.8 gram, fat 0.5 milligram, carbohydrate 8.3 gram, folic acid 30 mcg, calcium 28 milligrams, phosphorus 27 milligrams, vitamin A 60 Psi, international unit, vitamin B1 0.003 milligram, water 89.9 gram. The content of this variety of mulberry bring many benefits, including: Number 1. Treat thrush. Mulberry are a source of vitamins and minerals that can generate power sources. Sources of vitamins present in strawberries is a benefit of vitamin C with levels of 60 milligrams. This amount is equivalent to the daily requirement of vitamin C, so that diseases that require healing like canker sores can be cured. The way itself is quite easy, that only by eating the mulberry as much as 10 grams that had previously been washed first. Number 2. Fighting cancer. Carotenoid content contained in the mulberry is an antioxidant benefit. It can reduce the risk of cancer. In addition, this content is also able to prevent or interfere with the process that can lead to the formation of cancer cells. For those who consume this strawberry fruit, will not be easily attacked by cancer. Number 3. Treating tumors. Researchers from Australia found that rare mulberry fruit located in the northern tip of the state of Queensland is a drug that can be developed tumor. This mulberry compound can kill tumor head and neck and seed tumor itself. The compound works by killing the tumor cells directly, cut off the blood supply and then activate the body's defense system damaged by the tumor. No side effects at all, it works faster than previously thought. Number 4. Treating ulcer. Although the mulberry have vitamin C and taste sour, but vitamin C does not provide harmful side effects for the stomach. So, for anyone who suffers from ulcer, can calmly if consume this mulberry fruit. How to use it enough to process the mulberry into a juice until finally drunk. Number 5. Against typhoid disease. Typhus is one of the diseases that occur due to inflammation of the intestine, and is characterized by high fever. To prevent this disease, the benefits of strawberries is one of the solutions for the body can be helped in fighting disease bacteria typhoid itself. Number 6. Counteracting liver disease. Liver disease, commonly known as hepatitis disease, is a disease caused by viruses and alcohol and drugs. Begin to consume mulberry, the disease of this liver disorder will be successfully resisted. This is because The benefits of mulberry contain flavonoid A, which is also derived from the plant Silybum marianum L. Number 7. Relieve diarrhea symptoms. The mulberry contain phytonutrients that can protect the body against diseases such as diarrhea. In addition, the fruit is also capable of digesting and able to treat stomach diseases. Number 8. Delaying the aging process. The mulberry has a high antioxidant content. The mulberry can cleanse the body deeply, so it can delay the aging process that is often experienced by every human. Even a study from Harvard has proven that those who consume mulberry, able to slow memory loss for up to 3 years. Number 9. Caring for face skin. Mulberry fruit can be used to treat the skin because this fruit has a high vitamin C content. And this vitamin, able to soften dry skin. How to process it is easy. Mix 1 teaspoon of melted butter with fresh mulberry juice. Then, apply this mixture on the face and let stand for half an hour. After that, wash your face with soap and apply face tonic. Number 10. Natural face bleach. In addition, mulberry are also able to bleach for dull skin. The trick is also quite easy. By splitting the mulberry into 2 parts. Then, apply the inside of the fruit to the entire face and leave it on overnight. After that, wash your face in the morning cleanly. Many studies reveal that mulberry are able to care for facial skin. One of them is cosmetologist Juliana UMDH, which, according to him, fruit rich in vitamin C like mulberry fruit has the potential as an antioxidant that can help maintain skin elasticity. Number 11. Strengthens body stamina. The mulberry has a mineral source that can help restore the stamina of the body so as not to weaken. Even according to herbalists, mulberry are able to treat blood and kidney conditions, launch urine, release sputum and improve blood circulation. Number 12. Keeping teeth and gums staying healthy. Because vitamin C has a high content of mulberry fruit is also useful to keep teeth and gums to stay healthy. In fact, the benefits of calcium and phosphorus in the strawberries are also believed to be beneficial for dental and gum health. The benefits of rich cholesterol will be antioxidant. Benefits of the mulberry also contain saponins, glycosides commonly found in plants, flavonoids, active chemical compounds known as silymarin can be used as medicines or protectors from liver disease. Polyphenols, as antioxidants, have antioxidant properties, have antibacterial properties and vitamin C. Of the many nutrient content that is finally mulberry fruit has considerable benefits. As a fruit that contains antioxidants, mulberry are very important to form the body's immune because it can neutralize free radicals so that the strawberries can protect the body from various infections. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.